A very good afternoon, everybody. We are going to discuss PHP delimiters today. PHP delimiters is nothing but just the opening and closing tags to enclose PHP script. PHP code can be passed if and only if it is enclosed with these delimiters. For example, I would like to show you the PHP code. This is a PHP file, for example. You can see that this set of codes, this is a PHP code and it has been enclosed within this PHP codes. This is a PHP code and it is enclosed within these brackets. This one. Now there are various sets of delimiters to recognize the PHP code. These are listed below. Now you can see that this is one of the things which we used to enclose the PHP code. It is most probably used delimiters and also preferable since PHP code enclosed within this could be recognized with other PHP servers independent of the tag related configuration directives. Script language equal to PHP and script. This will also work anywhere like PHP. Now you can see that less than question mark the closing tag for PHP. This is called PHP short tags which will work based on the value set with short open tag directive of PHP configuration file. Now you can see that this one, this code, a PHP code enclosed within such types. This is also a short form of denoting PHP code, but used as an alternative representation of PHP print statement. Then in the fourth set, we can see that a bracket, a percentage is being closed within this, and this is the delimiters for writing active server pages. That means ASP code. But it will be used for PHP code if and only if the ASP tag directives are enabled. Now let us look into the PHP INI directive settings that affect the PHP delimiters to be used. Short open tag in PHP language configuration. This directive is used to specify whether the short form of PHP delimiters, that is, you can say this one, is allowed or not. This PHP language option will be set with on and off values and the default value is on. When it is set as on, then it is allowed to use the short form. To write the PHP code, which will be recognized by PHP parser. If it is set to off, then the PHP code cannot be passed. This method of writing PHP program by enclosed it with this bracket is not recommended programming practice because if we launch our code that contains this delimiter open and closing tags into another PHP server where the short open tag directive is not enabled, then code will not work on the server. Though PHP short tags are not portable among different servers, still they are allowed for providing backward compatibility. This form is used to print something to the browser. For example, a PHP echo statement can be written as follows. A variable statement is there and in this we have enclosed PHP open and closing tags and we write this statement. From the above list of ways to represent PHP tags, the fourth possible form, that is, the option is used to allow to recognize PHP code enclosed with the open close tags used in ASP server, ASP pages, scripting, that is like the following codes. We can search for this tag in php.ini file. If it is enabled by having value on, then the PHP scripts inside the open close tags it will be executed. And also alternative ASP print statement representation like this one are also allowed. Otherwise, the script including the ASP tags will be displayed in the browser. Unlike PHP sort tags, ASP style tags also depends on PHP configuration settings. So this form of tags is not preferable to develop PHP projects to be launched in another server because the lack of portability. From the above list of PHP delimiters, sort tags and the ASP style delimiters are not recommended a method to represent PHP code since they are depending on configuration settings. Even though script is portable, it is also not widely used for avoiding confusion in separating PHP code embedding it while embedding it HTML or XML content.